respected teachers, and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Have a nice day. I'm Mufty Shad Hasan, one of the students of Dynamic from the level 2. Now I am going to deliver a speech. The topic of my speech is how to become a good person and what should we do for it. My dear friends, if I ask you, tell me who good person is, a poor person or a rich person, an educated person or an uneducated person, a laborious person or a punctual person, or others. I am 100% sure that your answer will be they are not good person unless they have good manners. So it is crystal clear that the person who has good manners is good. But what is good manners? Is it treating someone well who treats you well? Is it treating someone? Is it helping someone who helps you? Is it giving someone who gives you? I think it is also a kind of good manner, but it is a smallest example of good manners, which doesn't show who is good man and who is not good person. Because if you help, if you give, if you treat someone well, who treats you well, who gives you, helps you, then you provide him the same thing he provides you. So you and he both are equal by providing each other the same things. But if you ask if this is not the correct example of good manners, if it is not perfect example of good manners, then tell me what is the perfect example of good manners which shows us what is the difference between a good person and others. Then I would like to say that if you treat someone well who treats you badly, if you give someone who never gives you, if you help someone who never helps you, then you are definitely a good man. That is why our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Sil man qata'ak wa a'ti man zalamak wa'fu 'amman haramak." That means join ties with those who cut off ties with you. Give those who deprive you and turn away from those who oppress you. So, by watching the all points, I can say that the person who has good manners is good, and treating someone well who treats badly is considered as a good manner. That's all from my side. A lot of thanks to all of you for your gentle support. Thank you.